What is happening is your face is pretty squarish.
Yeah.
Okay, so we need to make it more angular. So what we have to do, this is very strong. So we'll take it inside and we'll take it a little high. And this also is very broad. So we will narrow it down. So that's the plan for you. And while we do that, then the projection, the height also will increase little bit so that it matches your middle and upper third and increases the height of the lower third. Alright, come to the mirror. I just show it to you what we can do. So see this part, just see like this how it looks.
Yes, sir. That is the shape.
That shape we'll do. And here also this will come little bit down like this. So that how many millimeters we will tell you on the scan. So we'll be able to work mainly on the lower jaw. This side is still less. See, this side is a huge. It's very big. You can see it's so much here. So this we can just alter it and get rid of that.
Smile doesn't look good.
But we won't do much with the smile now, right? We're going to be doing with the lower third of the face. Your middle third of the face, this much will not do anything. From here, this area, the bone and the soft tissue adapting, everything we will improve. All right. Okay. When do you want the surgery?
But it's tomorrow.
They've already told you the costing and everything.
No.
So first you learn that. Because it's not a very small surgery. It's going to take a few hours. You have to stay here for 1 week. Recovery will be 3 weeks.
Yeah.
So you learn all the details. And it is not emergency. So we don't necessarily have it to do it tomorrow. And you don't live very far also. That's easy.
So I can't stay here. Then within 2 months, marriage is there.
Oh. Then 2 months is it? Then you need to do it quickly. Okay, talk to the manager. Rijo ke sab bhejo. You talk to him immediately and then we can let you know. Okay? Yeah. See you.
Thank you.
Yeah, bye bye. Lalita ka vlog.